What's up guys, Derek from Legendary here. In this video, we're going to show you how to add a phone number so you can start calling and texting your contacts. You should already have set up your Twilio account and sent us your Twilio credentials, whether through your sign up form or through email, so we can get those attached for you. Once that's done, you can either purchase a number in Twilio and add it to Legendary, or you can purchase a number directly in Legendary. So what you're going to want to do is navigate to settings at the bottom left of the initial menu, and you'll go to phone numbers under business services. And you'll see a list of all your current Twilio numbers that you can add by clicking the add button right into Legendary. If you do want to purchase your number directly from Legendary, you can just click the add number button here and search by area code. So let's say you need a 515 number. If you hit search, it's going to pull up a list and you'll see the monthly fee next to each number. You can kind of rerun this search multiple times if you want to populate new numbers and find one that you like better, maybe one that's easy to remember. And then when you find one you want, you'll just select a toggle and click save, and that will be added to your Twilio account. So once that's all done, what you'll want to do is configure the number using the edit pencil, which you can find where the add button used to be. So for this number we've already set up, we'll show you how it's configured here. You can give it a nickname at the top so it's easy to remember what that number is for. This will be where you'll forward your calls to. So in this case, I have a Google Voice number set up, so I can forward it and have a different voicemail than my personal phone. So if you want to, you can get a free Google Voice number and use that method. Otherwise, you can forward this to your salespeople's cell phone, your personal cell phone, or kind of anywhere else you want to send it when incoming calls come in. The options below that, you have pass caller number as caller ID. That's going to allow it to show up as your Twilio number when it rings to your forwarding number. So instead of whoever's calling you being a random contact, it will ring. You could save it in your phone as Legendary Leads. That way you know when that number calls you, you have a call you want to pick up. You can enable this call connect feature as well if you want for call reporting purposes. That makes your receiver press a key in order to connect. It is an extra step, so this might be more for if you're a call center or you're trying to track, your salespeople are actually getting on the phone with leads. That might be a feature you want to use there. Below that, you can use this whisper message and put in a call. For instance, you could put incoming call from Legendary Leads, and when you answer those incoming calls, that message will play here. You can also put in the contact name merge field. So if you have that data, it will pass the contact's name along with the whisper message here. Below that, you can toggle on call recording. This will allow you to store the audio in your conversations tab, and you can download and replay that from conversations. This call will be recorded for quality assurance is the default message. If you want something else to play, you'll need to replace that right here. Incoming call and outbound call timeouts, you can set for how many rings or how many seconds you want to allow to pass here. 20 is kind of the default that I use. And then once you're all done, you can hit update. Once your number is configured, you should see a green call circle up in the top right where you can click, and now you'll see your call from number and any other numbers you have added to your account here as a drop down. So you'll be able to dial out based on your contacts list, which you can search through here. Otherwise, you can just type in a phone number up here and hit call, and it will call that contact. So hopefully that helps. If you have any troubles getting your phone number set up, feel free to reach out to support. Make sure your Twilio credentials have been sent in before trying this step. And if you do want to set up something like a professional IVR system rather than a forwarding number, make sure to go to the knowledge library and check out the video on that. It's a little bit of a different process. Right now, you'll connect that IVR directly in Twilio. Hopefully we will have a visual IVR builder integrated directly in Legendary at some point in the future. But for now, we show you kind of how to set that up step by step. So go ahead and choose which option works best for you. Have any questions, feel free to reach out. Stay legendary, and I'll catch you on the next video.